Hello, 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 my lovelies. This is T. McNeil from McNeil Luxury Travel, and I am coming to you today from the Hotel Lungarno in Florence, Italy. And I am very delighted to show you a studio suite with a city view. Now, I'm going to challenge your concept of a studio because this is the largest studio I've ever seen in one hotel room. There's a lot to cover, so let's get into it. So the first thing you'll notice is we came down a set of stairs, which is a very nice welcome entrance to the Hotel Lungarno. Particularly this particular room has a nautical theme. So you'll notice the blue and white throughout, but look at the size of this room. King size bed. You have a bookshelf with a television that comes up here. And then you have a completely separate living area that's quite large. You can relax. Everyone can spread out here. Your entertainment with Bose sound system. And then with this sofa, this part right here actually pulls out into a single bed. So you can get a bed there for a small child. And then here's your city view with the view of a medieval tower out the window. And this door actually opens up. It's a Juliet balcony. So, alrighty. And then on this side, we have a view literally of the city life. Now, let me show you a truly delightful room that I feel like I could live in. This is your walk-in closet. Huge, huge. It even has a window in it. Hello, Florence. I mean, really. So there's a lot that you can do in here besides hang your clothes. His and her closet, or her and her, or his and his. You have a butler area and then some drawers. But this is a very nice size room, and it also has a door. So you can close off, the clothes and not see them. Okay, let's head to the bathroom, my favorite room of the house. So you've got your robes. And then you have a single sink, very large walk-in shower with both a rainfall and handheld, quite large. And then you have all of your Ferragamo amenities. And then your toilet room that can be closed. Right? I don't know if you've noticed, but this studio suite really has a great design element. They use a lot of mirrors to make the space look larger. So we have, three-sided mirror here because we only have a single sink, but it looks much larger. Even on the dividing door, we have a mirror. And even on the front door of the bathroom, we have a mirror. And then you may recall that in the walk-in closet, we have a mirror. So there's a very good use of space, a very good use of design elements fitting within the nautical theme. So once again, this is the Hotel Lungarno, which is flagship property in the Lungarno collection. And this is a studio suite with a city view. So I will end this lovely view.